Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle for sale comes in a blue exterior. We have a tan interior. It's a nice wood grain accent trim in this vehicle. Heated seats, both driver and passenger. Power memory seats on the driver's side. Sunroof, blind spot assist, rear seats, quick look up at the front of the vehicle, and coming around to the back we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. And with the push of a button, you can easily flip down those rear seats if you need a little extra storage. And push button to close the trunk there. Let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 12,749 with a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display, currently showing radio and backup camera. And of course you can use the touchscreen itself just like this. You also have controls here on your steering wheel. And another command module right here where you can also make adjustments on the display. Below the display is your climate control, cup holders, cigarette lighter and ashtray, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2021 GLC 300 4MATIC, just see our website feldmannimports.com.